Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. How does Binance work to earn money from home? So make sure to watch the full video. Millions of consumers have put their trust in the cryptocurrency exchange Binance peer-to-peer. Peer-to-peer trade occurs directly between the persons that are buying and selling goods or services. Our escrow solution offers traders peace of mind because the platform won't carry out any transaction until both parties have verified that all of the conditions of the agreement have been met. The procedure appears to be similar to that occurring on a typical, centralized exchange, where a user can give away one currency and receive another in exchange. But what exactly makes this different, and how does it actually operate? You submit your offer and specify the key criteria, such as the item you desire to purchase or sell, its quantity, price, and mode of payment, in the peer-to-peer trading mechanism. This process is straightforward and similar to any real-world, over-the-counter transaction. The money in the seller's wallet is momentarily frozen once the counterparty accepts your offer. The platform records the transaction, and the buyer has a set amount of time to finish the payment, in the case of Binance peer-to-peer, under 15 minutes, after it is registered. Our escrow service unlocks the frozen funds and puts them into the buyer's account as soon as the seller confirms receipt of the payment. Binance peer-to-peer has a small role in this process because the platform is not a party to the transaction, which significantly lowers commission costs. While doing so, it offers consumers a high level of safety from dishonest buyers and dealers. Since Binance peer-to-peer is accessible in more than 250 nations, people from all over the world can trade cryptocurrencies swiftly and safely with only a little amount of commission. To satisfy the needs of users, Binance peer-to-peer also offers over 100 fiat currencies, 10 digital assets, and 700 payment options. Binance Earn, what is it? With the help of Binance Earn, customers may earn Bitcoin rewards on a variety of digital assets. Let's look at each of them separately. Basic Earn: customers who subscribe to flexible products can earn incentives every day. Consumers are always free to subscribe to and redeem their digital assets from flexible products. Locked goods. Although users are given greater benefits, they only have restricted access to their assets after subscribing. Depending on whether the auto-subscribe option has been activated by the user, each subscription will be automatically redeemed on the designated redemption date or renewed for the same locking period. Users can also redeem their assets earlier, but doing so means forfeiting any benefits they may have accrued. Joint investment. Users can receive rewards while purchasing or selling cryptocurrency at the desired price and selected date in the future. The annual percentage rate, APR, goal price, and subscription time are all customizable by the user. Binance Fluid Swap. This tool consists of two parts: farming with liquidity. With this product, users can provide liquidity on their two preferred tokens and earn BNB rewards and pool fees. Among other methods, the automated market maker, AMM, formula is used to determine reward swap agriculture. The liquidity farming feature has made it possible for users to instantly earn BNB rewards when they buy or sell tokens. If you are a professional or arbitrage trader using APIs, this is also a great way to earn crypto rewards with your crypto holdings. Vault BNB users can benefit from their BNB holdings by earning rewards with this hassle-free tool. Additionally, from time to time, Binance will give participants bonus rewards. Go to Binance Earn to get started earning rewards. You must adhere to the terms and conditions, so please read them carefully before signing up. How to use local currencies to purchase tokens on Binance peer-to-peer. On Binance, you can purchase cryptocurrencies in a number of ways. If you want to purchase tokens with USD, follow these steps. Browse the Binance app website. Logging into your account will take you directly to step 4. If you have already registered with the exchange, click the Register button. If you don't already have an account, make a strong password and enter your email address. After reading the license agreement, press Register. You will now need to establish a practical payment method and confirm your identity. Peer-to-peer trading, by clicking the button. The coin you want to buy should be chosen on the Buy tab. Set the amount and payment method filters to the desired values to configure the transaction's parameters. When a list of pertinent offers appears on the screen, choose the offer that best fits your needs and click Buy. Click Buy after you have entered the desired amount of cryptocurrency or the original currency on the screen. The transaction's specifics will be visible. Verify the payment amount and method. The sale will be finalized once the seller has fulfilled their obligation. How to move assets from a peer-to-peer wallet to a spot wallet. In certain situations, it might be a good idea to trade on a conventional cryptocurrency exchange. Your funds must be transferred from your funding wallet to your spot wallet in order to transfer them from Binance peer-to-peer to Binance's spot exchange. The word spot originates from spot markets, or exchanges where financial assets can be traded for immediate delivery, or on the spot. By default, the majority of cryptocurrency exchanges link buyers and sellers to spot markets. You can use the money in your spot wallet to trade on Binance's spot markets. When you have just acquired these tokens, the simplest time to transfer them from your funding wallet to your spot wallet is at that precise moment. A corresponding button will show up on your screen after you've finished a transaction. If you don't take advantage of this chance, you'll have to go through a number of steps, later on, to transfer your cryptocurrency to your spot wallet. So, that's it for today. We hope you enjoyed the video. Use the comment section below to tell us what you think about the video. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to be notified of all the latest videos.